This integrated fridge freezer from Bosch is ideal if you're looking for a high-quality model with clever technology to keep your favourite foods fresh. It has an A++ energy rating and a combined capacity of 259 litres. That's 14 bags of shopping. It has a 50-50 split, so it's perfect for stocking up on both fresh and frozen food. Bosch's FreshSense technology helps protect your food. It works by using special sensors inside the cabinet that monitor any fluctuations in temperature and adjust the settings to create the perfect environment. This means that if the door has been opened, the cabinet will stay evenly chilled, helping to preserve your food for longer. This fridge freezer from Bosch is perfect if you want an integrated model with clever technology to take care of your food.